Morning students. In the previous classes we have discussed the chapter polynomials. So next today onwards we are going to discuss about sets chapter. So sets theory was proposed by George Cantor. Okay, the British mathematician who developed the concept of sets. Okay. Then what is meant by sets? So a set is a well defined collection of distinct objects. So here the word well defined. So well defined means it has to be give clearly and particularly they have to mention year or some particular number. Okay, and here distinct mean by different. Okay, different objects. So for example, set of first 5 natural numbers. So set of first 5 natural numbers. So here, so first 5 is a well defined term. Okay, well defined is nothing but first 5. Okay, it is mentioning first 5 natural numbers. So is equals to. So this is the curly bracket symbol. First 5 natural numbers mean by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and close the curly bracket. So here individual distinct objects are known as elements. See 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, these are called elements. Individual object is known as element. Okay. So here each element is separated by comma. Okay. Each element is separated by comma. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the first 5 natural numbers. That is nothing but well defined objects. And also distinct. Distinct mean by different. See each individual element is different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No number is repeating twice or thrice. Okay. So set is nothing but a set is a well defined collection. Collection mean by group. Well defined collection of distinct. Distinct mean by different. Okay. So well defined collection of objects. So for example, if you see set of first 5 natural numbers. Okay. So here first 5 is the well defined term. Okay. So this is the curly bracket symbol and each object is separated by comma. Here each object is called as elements. Okay. So generally we will represent like this. Natural numbers is represented by the letter capital N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, it is instead of writing this big statement, we can represent like this also. Okay. So it is the easiest way and time consuming. You won't consume the time. Okay. So it's better to write like this always. So don't write the big statement. Okay. So next set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay. Next if you go for integers I or z is equals to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. See this is from 6th class, 7th class and 8th class we are used to represent the natural numbers like this and whole numbers and integers. Okay. So we don't know this is a set or not at the time of 6th, 7th, 8th. So now so you can understand clearly that natural numbers is a set, whole numbers is a set and integers is a set. As you know very well, natural number starts with 1, 2, so 1 and the whole number start with 0 and integers is a combination of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Okay. So let me see one more example. So collection of all the months of a year starting with the letter J. Starting with the letter J. So this is the question. Okay. Collection of all the months of a year starting with the letter J. So in a year we have 12 months. Okay. So in this 12 months, which months are starting with the letter J? So write in a set form. Okay. So for that, no need to write this big statement here in the answer. So just represent any one letter. So I am taking here M. So months. Okay. Next is equals to, this is the curly bracket symbol. Okay. Next, what is the first month starting with J? So that is absolutely January. Next, June. Next, July. So these 3 months are starting with the letter J in a year. Okay. So this is a representation of a set. So one more example. So collection of best writers. Best writers in the world. So is it a set first? Collection of best writers in the world. Okay. So this is not a set. Why it is not a set? Because see here it's not, they are not mentioning well defined any particular country or any particular year. They are not mentioning here. So that's why it is a not a set. Okay. They should mention here in the word in 2011. Now you can say it is a set because here clearly it defined the year. Okay, in the 2011, who are the best writers in the world? Top 10 writers, top 5 writers. So like that, if we mention like that, we can write, we can say this is a set. Otherwise, it is not a set. Okay, when the statement is well defined, then only we can say it is a set. Otherwise, it is not a set. Okay. Next, one more concept. So this is a symbols belongs to, does not belongs to. Okay. So this is the belongs to sign and the does not belongs to sign. Okay. So these two symbols we'll use in sets chapter. So for example, if A is equals to 1, 2, 3, next B is equals to 4, 5, 6, C is equals to small p, small q, r. Okay, so fill the appropriate symbols. Okay, so here first question 1 dash A, second one, so 4 dash C, so 3 C dash, so R dash C. Next fourth question, so okay, so if set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, if set B is equal to 4, 5, 6, set C is equal to P, Q, R. So fill the appropriate symbols. Okay, here we should use belongs to sign and does not belongs to. Okay, so here 1 dash A. If the element 1, if the element 1 belongs to the set A, just fill the symbol. Okay, otherwise if one element does not belong to set A, keep this symbol. Okay, see in the set A, do we have one element here? Yes. So write the symbol belongs to. Okay, next if you go to the second question, 4 dash C. In the set C, do we have the element 4? See, look at here. So C set is having P, Q, R only, but it does not contain element 4. So that's why we can fill the symbol as does not belongs to. Okay, next third question, small r belongs to C. Okay, if the set C contains the R element, we can keep the symbol belongs to. See, in the set C we have the element R, so we can write it as belongs to sign. In the same way, fourth question, 3 dash B. Okay, in the set B, do we have the element 3? So just look at the set B. Here we have 4, 5, 6, but does not 3. So just write does not belongs to. The element 3 does not belongs to B set. The element 4 does not belongs to set C. Here the element 1 belongs to A. Here the element R belongs to set C. Okay, this is the belongs to and does not belongs to concept, very easy. Okay, so this is the belongs to sign and this is the does not belongs to sign. Okay. Just now you have seen what is meant by set, how to write the set, and what is not a set, and the belongs to and does not belongs to concept. Now, so the set, we can write the set in two forms. Okay, set is in two forms. The first one is roster form. Second one is set builder form. Okay, we can write the set in two forms. First one is what? Roster form, and second one is set builder form. So let me explain this first. Roster form. So roster form is also known as list form. Roster form is also known as list form. Okay. Here, no need to learn the definition of this roster form. Okay. Example. So, for example, they will ask the question: vowels of a English alphabet. So, generally they will ask you roster form for 2 marks question or 1 mark question. Okay. They will give one statement and they will ask you to write in the roster form. Okay. Now this is the statement. Vowels of a English alphabet. Write the above statement in the roster form. Okay. So first, vowels is represented by the letter capital V. So represent like this: V is equals to, open the set. Okay. So in this vowels, how many vowels we have? 5 vowels, right? So what are they? A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U, and close the set. Okay. See, these are the well defined elements. Okay. Vowels. Vowel is the word which is the well defining term here, and those all are the individual elements. Okay. Those are not repeating twice or thrice. Okay. All are distinct elements. A, E, I, O, U. So this is the list form. Okay, writing in a list form. Okay, known as roster form or list form. Did you understand? So generally, one more example, we know that natural numbers less than 6. Natural numbers less than 6. So this is the statement. Natural numbers less than 6. Write the above statement in a roster form. Okay. So natural numbers are represented by the letter capital N. So take capital N and open the set. Okay. Natural numbers less than 6. Okay. Less than 6 mean by smaller than the number 6. So what are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Don't write 6 because in this question we mentioned particularly less than 6 only. Okay. So natural numbers n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See, each element is individual and distinct element. Okay. Next, one more example. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. Okay. So here we have to write the factors. Factors of 12. So here you can take any letter. Okay, you can take F, you can take A, you can take X, you can take Z. Not only the first letters. Okay, you can take as your own wish. So here I am taking suppose X. Okay, so factors of 12. So you have to know what is meant by factor. Okay, so 12 should be perfectly divisible by a certain number. Okay, those all are the factors. Suppose 1 12s are 12. Okay, next 2 6 are 12. Next 3 4s are 12. So now these are the factors of 12. Okay, so write in a well defined manner. Each element should be separated by comma, and if you observe, each element is different one. So if it is repeated, so write only once. Okay, suppose the word better. See here we have the word better. So write the better in a roster form. Okay, write the better word in a roster form. See the word I am taking it as W here. W is equals to. So open the set. Okay, open the set and write the individual letters which are different one. So which are different one mean by we should not repeat the letters. So first here B. Okay, write B. Next we have E, so write E. Next we have T, so write T. And again T is repeating now, so don't write two times, write only once. Okay. Next E we have, so E also already we have written, so don't repeat it again. Next what do we have? R, so write R. B-E-T-R. Okay. If any letter, any number is repeated twice or thrice, don't write in a list form. Just write only once. B-E-T-R. Okay. Suppose if you take the word mathematics. Okay. Write the word mathematics in roster form or list form. So again you can take W. Okay. Open the set and write individual letters. So first one is what? M. So write M. Next A. Next T. H. E. And M is repeating again. So don't write. Write only once. So A also already we have written. T also already we have written. And I did not write. So write I. Next C. Next S. So this is the roster form of the word mathematics. Okay. Okay. Here. So here we can write the small letters also. C, B, E, T, R. Okay. Here mathematics also M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Okay. So we can write in a capital letters as well as in a small letters also. Next we are going to read about set builder form. Set builder form. So set builder form means by we should mention only common property. Common property we should mention. Okay. So here we will ask a question. Example. We will ask a question. Set B is equals to A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So B is a set. It contains elements A, E, I, O, U. So write this above set in a set builder form. Okay. Here we should write. So B is equals to take one variable, any variable. So generally everyone will use the variable as x. Okay. So this is the x. Next such that. So we can take x such that like two dots, or otherwise we can write like this also. Okay. X. This one we can call it as such that. Okay. Such that x such that x. So what we are assuming, this every element is a variable x. Okay. Every element of set B OS is a variable x here. So x such that x is a vowel of English alphabet. Okay. See, this is the actually roster form. He will give the question in a roster form and they will ask us to write in the set builder form. So this is a set builder form. B is equals to x. You can take any variable, but generally most of the students will take the variable as x. Okay, here I am also taking as x. X such that x. X is a, what is the x here? Is a vowel of English alphabet. See, we in the set B, all the 5 elements are vowels. So that's why we should mention the property here. Vowels of a English alphabet. Okay, next one. Second example. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. So this is the second example. Okay, in the second example we have to mention the property n is equals to x such that x, okay, is a natural number, and here comma. So here natural number is what? Less than 6. Okay, so natural number x is less than 6. Otherwise we can also write in this manner or. So natural number is equals to x such that x. So here x is a natural number. So here x belongs to capital N. Okay, x belongs to capital N, natural numbers, and here x is less than or equals to 5. So we can write both the methods. Okay, x value is less than or equal to 5. Okay, here x is belongs to natural number set. Okay. Next third example, so set A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 12. So write this set in a set builder form. Okay, so first write the set A is equals to, take the variable x, okay, such that x, here x is equals to what? So 2 into n I am taking. Okay, so 2 into n, here n belongs to capital N and n value is less than or equal to 6. Okay, set is A, so your variable I am taking x such that x value is equals to 2 times of n. Here n is not mentioned in the question, I am taking the variable n. You can take any variable. X is equals to 2 into n. So here the small n belongs to capital N. If I take n value as 1, 2 into 1, 2. Next, if I take n value as 2, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, and n value is less than or equal to 6. Maximum we can take up to 6 only. Okay, if you take n value as 6, 2 into 6, 12. So you cannot take more than 6 number. Okay, because already we mentioned the property here. So small n value less than or equal to 6 only. So can we take 0 here? No, because we have mentioned that small n value is belongs to natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1 only. Okay, we cannot take 0 or we cannot take 7 also. Okay, so this is the form of writing in a set builder form. So till now we have seen what is meant by set, who proposed the sets theory, and what is the example for set. Next, belongs to and does not belongs to concept, and the row star form and set builder form. I hope everyone has understood this. Okay, I will give 2 questions as a homework. So do it and share me. Okay, thank you.